Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. Over here on my channel, you're going to get beauty, lifestyle, fashion, motherhood, and everything girly in between. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. Today I'm excited because we are doing a motherhood type of video, and I just feel like now, as a first-time mom, there's a lot of things that I wish I would have known, and I just want to share that with you. Wish I would have known with a few things. So today we're going to talk about 5 things I wish I would have known before I became a mom. Okay, currently my son is 14 months, and it's been a blast. It is amazing. It's the most rewarding thing ever. I do want to preference that. Motherhood is an honor, and it is also a privilege. And so I definitely am super excited on, what has been happening in 14 months, just with me as an individual, as a woman. Amazing. Okay. And in the Bible, Psalms 127, 3-5, this is the NIV version, the New International Version. Children are a heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from him. Truly, children are a blessing. Children are a reward from God. And I just want to share these particular videos that I'm going to do, like series here, as far as like I'll try to create a playlist, but this is going to be the motherhood content, and it's just been laying on my heart to do it. I've been praying and asking God to lead me on this, so I hope you will enjoy this video. I'm no doctor, I'm no expert, and so I think that's where getting in the head can kind of get, you make you feel like you have nothing to share. And so when I first found out that I was pregnant, I do have a video. I'll link those up here. Me finding out I'm pregnant, sharing it with my husband, and then also giving you some positive tips to have a positive pregnancy. I'll list those up here, and I'll also have those in the playlist. Okay, I'll talk about me. If you are a type of woman that is detail-oriented, very organized, and have OCD, all those 3, okay? They kind of like fall by the wayside, okay? I wish that someone would have told me that, hey, guess what? I know you like things in a certain order, a certain place, a certain time, a certain strategy, however your day is structured. It's not that way with a baby. Babies make the schedule. 14 months is leading into that extreme toddler phase. They definitely are making their own schedule. They have their own voice. They have their own curiosity of doing this and moving around and all that. So I would say number 1 is you are not in control of your schedule and how things will be placed. When they start playing with these toys, they're going to let them out. That's the first and foremost thing. Okay. I wish someone would have told me that. My mom told me that after the fact, like, get ready to, move your aesthetic stuff around in your house, because your son is going to be moving this and moving that. And I always say, what? Everyone is so excited when the baby comes, and it's a newborn baby that sleeps majority of the day, and everybody want to come over and just watch a baby sleep. I still feel to the core of my bones. No one calls and say, hey, let me look after the toddler that's moving your vase from one area to the next, or taking plants from here to there. Like, that's where we should be reevaluating, like, how we want to help out this mother. Using your village, if you have one, is definitely a blessing. So yeah, that's number 1. Number 2, I wish someone would have told me that you don't need to buy a lot of stuff up front. You don't need to buy a lot of clothing items up front. You don't need to buy all the gadgets. And I'll do a separate video on what I packed in my hospital bag as a first-time mom, and the gadgets that you really don't need on your registry, whether it's you just want them or not. Girl, somebody should have told me that. But when it's your first, you're just so excited, and you start looking at all the videos here on YouTube, and you just start compiling a list, and you're taking something from all those videos, and now you have a registry created, pretty much, or at least that's what I did. So I think that taking a step back and understanding that a baby does not need a lot. Love, hugs, kisses, blanket, warmth, just you and daddy, you and family, your village, whomever, and yeah, Pampers, wipes, soap and water, okay? I was, in the beginning, we were so excited. We bought a lot of like onesies, night clothes, The list goes on. And you realize you don't even need all that. Like a baby sleeps, a baby's gonna, spit up, boo-boo. And you're gonna be changing them and rebuying types of onesies depending on the stains and all that type of stuff. But yeah, that's number 2. You don't need a lot of clothes, especially that first 0 to, I would say, 6 months of when the baby's a baby. There's no need. Number 3 is, no one told me that you're gonna need to give a lot of attention to this phase of being a mother. As far as the developing phase is, of course, is all the way up forever, right? But my son is 14 months now, and he's very smart. You don't think that they're calculating and visualizing the things that you're saying or the things that you're doing. They repeat a lot. So in my household, we don't use certain terminology. We don't play certain music. That's just me in my household. But they pick up on this stuff at this age, at a very young age. So no one told me that your kid is your toddler, 14 months, 13 months, 12 months is going to be picking up on this type of stuff. So I wish someone would have told me that, your attention to your child is going to be even more than it was when they are newborn. Simple fact that you'll be teaching them more, you'll be reading to them, of course, you'll be playing with them more, and just really gauging their personality. These are the times where they're moving around a lot. They're speaking, they're talking, they're doing different action type of things. They want it their way, and all of that. Cool. So that's where we're at with that. That was number 3. Number 4 is not necessarily no one told me this, but number 4 is, and I want to encourage you, whether you're a first-time mom or a fifth-time mother, every kid is definitely different. Do not compare your kid to any other kid out there. Do what's best for your kid, okay? Because in the beginning, I was thinking I had to do this and do that. Oh, my milk supply. Oh, I need to do this. Oh, I need to lay my child this way. All because of social media and the things I was reading on Google. And so no one told me that your kid is your kid. Don't worry about the outside noise, okay? My mom really reassured me with that. My husband, we prayed on that, and that's just what it is. Like, don't make yourself feel like because your parents did this with your siblings or with you, you have to do it. Don't make yourself feel like because your friends who have kids before you, that's what they did, that you have to do it. Do what's best for you and your household. Do what's best for you and your mental stability. Do what's best for you and your emotional balance, okay? Because like I said, the outside noise can really make you feel like you're less than. It can make you feel like you're not doing your part as a mother. It can make you feel like, man, is this really for me? And that's not the case. You're doing great. You're awesome. You're a mother. You are a rock star. You got this. Anyone that is currently pregnant, congratulations. You will get this. You got this. Everything's going to be great. Everything is going to be fine. Only you know your story. And so put forth that effort of what your story is. Don't compare yourself to anyone else, period. And then lastly, they grow fast, child. It goes back to number 2. The kids grow fast, so you really don't need a lot of stuff. Just especially, listen, for our moms out there that are remote workers, stay-at-home moms, you definitely don't need a lot. I mean, it's a privilege to be remote. And I definitely didn't need a lot of clothing items. Realizing that now, where are we going? If you don't put on a onesie or a t-shirt and some sweats and call it a day and let the kid play, who's coming over that I need to put a whole outfit on? Yeah, we can take pictures here and there, but you don't need all that stuff. So I feel like those are some of the things that I wish I would have known. As far as like my mental, like I just said, don't put too much pressure on yourself. You are doing an amazing job. And I love that for me, that I have my husband and my village, my mother, that is consistently pouring in, praying with me, pouring in, saying those things. So I hope that you have a village, whether that's a spouse, a parent, a friend, a sibling, someone that can continuously pour into you, because people think that it's just from the 0 to 3-4 month span that they need to pour in, but it is truly a lifetime to me. Like building that relationship, building those relationships, building those memories with your child, all of that is amazing. Like no one tells me that time goes by this fast. I feel like I just had this baby yesterday. He's about to be 15 months soon. So time is just going by fast. And we are just so grateful, so blessed, so like motherhood has given me the strength that I never thought I had. That's honest to God. So no one ever told me that like when you become a mom, you become someone else. Like I don't play about my baby. I don't play about my kids. So no one told me those types of things. And that's just like the surface level. If you guys want me to like dive in a little bit deeper, ask some questions down below so I know how to navigate this particular series here on my channel. Ask some questions down below and then I can like go forward with that. If you are a mom, go ahead and put the mom and kid emoji down below. And I truly appreciate you sitting and listening and hearing this video. I hope that some of these things were helpful. I hope that some of these tips you and I can relate on. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.